You know, with what's going on with the cost of building materials right now due to COVID and other factors, equipment going down and things like that, it is really tough, not only on contractors to budget a job when they're getting ready to start it, but also on homeowners to be able to budget what they're going to spend on the remodeling. Whether you're doing it yourself or hiring a contractor, somebody's got to account for all that added expense. And some of these building materials, they've gone up 50%, 100%, 150% on wood. It's next to impossible to set a fixed budget and stick to it right now. In construction, things aren't rolling out because the thing you got to remember is construction was exempt. It was always considered essential, and so it's been keep going the whole time. And what we're running into now is the manufacturers of the building materials, they weren't essential. We ate up all the backlog of materials, so they're trying to catch up. As they're trying to catch up and trying to put more people on assembly lines, equipment that wasn't being used is breaking down, and that's dragging things even further. Then on top of that, people like truckers and things like that went off and got other jobs, and they're not coming back. So now we don't have the people to get the materials where it needs to be. This is going to be a major problem in the future in our economy. And I really think what's going to happen is, yeah, we're going to have an explosion of material being manufactured. All of a sudden, as this economy is tightening up, and it is tightening up, people are going to stop building, stop remodeling, and all of a sudden we're going to have an excess supply, and we'll be able to get stuff cheaper again. I personally believe we're looking at probably 6 to 12 months down the road, and I said that 4 months ago, but that line has been moved because other equipment has gone down. But we are headed to where cost of materials will drop again. It's just a matter of when is the economy going to tank? Because when the economy tanks, so will the construction boom. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.